In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and set up the Exness Trader app on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the app, what to do if it's not available in your store, and how to get signed in so you can begin using it. First, grab your phone and open your App Store. If you're on an iPhone, that's the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Exness Trader exactly as it sounds. You should see the official Exness Trader app appear in the results. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the legitimate app from the official provider, and then tap Install. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your device has enough storage space, since a weak connection or low storage can slow down the download or cause it to pause. If you can't find the app in your store, it might be due to regional availability. In that case, you can download the Android APK directly from the official Exness website. Only use the official site. This is important for your security. When you download an APK, your phone may ask you to enable installations from unknown sources or allow your browser to install apps. Turn that on temporarily so the APK can install. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to return to your settings and turn that permission off again to keep your device secure. After the installation finishes, open the Exness Trader app. If you already have an Exness account, tap Sign In and enter your credentials. If you're new, tap Register. The app will guide you through setting up your account with clear on-screen prompts. Choose a strong, unique password and keep your login details safe. You'll be asked to agree to the terms, and depending on your region and regulations, you may see additional verification steps inside the app later on. Follow the instructions presented on screen carefully. Once you're signed in, you can start exploring the app's interface and get ready for trading. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the menus and settings so you know where everything is. If you installed via APK, remember that future updates won't come automatically from the Play Store, so plan to revisit the official site when you need the latest version. That's it. You've downloaded the Exness Trader app, installed it the right way, and signed in or registered so you can get started. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your trading experience responsibly.